So this is the MASX team and we are out here in Wallafield for the AM Bush. Now I'm not sure what day it is, but somewhere on the screen they go play it. But I'm telling you right now, the energy and the vibe is ecstatic and everybody outside and be ready to go and have a good time. Already, look at my goggles. I'm ready to get wet. I'm ready to get on bad. I'm ready to get on bad.
Good morning, guys. I love it.
Before the sun rises, revelers hit the road for AM Bush, a wild, paint-splattering, mud-soaked adventure through the streets. Drums, rhythm, and pure abandon fuel the frenzy as masqueraders dance through the dawn while lost in the magic and the madness of Trinidad Carnival.
To the right side of the truck. The party. Everybody to the right side of the truck. We are till to celebrate. If you got to see they represent Ladies in section simple.
AM Bush was next level. From the chaos to the vibes, it was a carnival experience that everyone must try. After AM Bush, it's time to clean up and level up for Soca Brainwash. This year, Soca Brainwash embraced the theme comic world, transforming into a vibrant fusion of soca and comic book fantasy. Revelers became heroes and anti-heroes, wore creative costumes, and danced through a festival space filled with comic-inspired decoration, electrifying performances, and larger-than-life visuals.
So everyone, we're entering the food verse, and as you can see, there are a lot of long lines to get all the delicious Caribbean treats and dishes, desserts. Let's check it out.
So many options. Let's eat. Time to fuel up for this Soca Brainwash party.
Okay guys, so we're gonna try some food for Lori. We also have Hira and Basset shot, as well as bear fruit juice. So we're gonna try some of these. First, let's try the for Lori. How it looks.
Looks so good.
Everybody charge up. Let me see you trying this. This is bacon chop?
Chop.
Bacon chop. How is it?
Smacking. But, hey, guys, stay hydrated and eat on the road, boy.
How are you going?
I love it.
What are you eating?
It's the third drink.
What we said, Joseph, we gonna throw them up in the sky, alright? Okay, throw them up. We rock your party with a throw them up. Put them up, put them up, put them up, put them up, put them up. Something like 1,000 man. Touch it out, jump and wave. Show me 1,000 man. Yeah, show me 1,000 man. Yeah, we have your party dancing by the 1,000. Rock by the 1,000. Touch it by the 1,000. Towel by the 1,000.
Okay, so we're gonna try apple.
The best way to cool down after turning up.
Okay.
How is it?
From anywhere in the world, once you love soca music, we come together in Soca Brainwash. Everybody start to rock.
Soca Brainwash 2025 was pure madness in the best way possible. The experience was magical. Thank you for watching. If you loved this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the rest of the carnival action. Let me know in the comments, what was your favorite part? Become a MASX talker for a chance to win awesome prizes. Stay tuned because tomorrow we're turning things up even more. See you in the next one. MASX out.